Welcome to A Bowl of Happiness. Today we are making ground chicken on rice, or also known as three-color donburi. This beautiful bowl is decorated with brown, yellow, and green ingredients on rice. Brown for flavored ground chicken, yellow for scrambled egg, and green for boiled field peas. We top this beautiful bowl with deep-fried squid. This is additional, but the tempura makes this bowl even more special. Let's get started. We'll start with the green part. String the field peas. Now boil some water, add a pinch of salt, and boil the peas for about 30 seconds. Drain the peas and rinse with some cold water and set it aside. And now let's move on to scrambled eggs. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. One tablespoon of milk. 1 tablespoon of mirin or sweet sake. A pinch of salt. And finally, 1 tablespoon of honey. And beat the eggs together until the yolks and the whites are fully combined. And strain the eggs. Pour in a bit of olive oil here. And pour in the egg. Put it on low heat, and using 2 sets of chopsticks, you scramble the eggs constantly until it gets somewhat dry. And now we will move on to make the brown part, the soy sauce flavored sweet ground chicken. Put all the ingredients here in a small pot. and put it on medium heat, and crumble up the chicken using 2 sets of chopsticks here as well. Be sure to get the seasonings well incorporated into the chicken. Otherwise, it's not going to be seasoned evenly until it gets quite dry, and set it aside. Thinly sliced the boiled field peas. Now get your squid and mark a shallow crisscross pattern on it. And sprinkle some salt and pepper. As for the batter for tempura, crack 1 egg in a bowl, 200 ml of icy cold water, and 140 grams of flour and mix very well. Dip the squid and deep fry it. And now here's the fun part. Decorate the steamed rice in a bowl with all the colors. It also tastes good even when it's cold, so it's popular in a lunchbox as well. You can also cook the ground chicken when you have time and freeze it, and you can just microwave it when you feel like eating. And here we are. Our彩り三色丼 is ready. Serve it with some tartar sauce and salt and enjoy this beautiful, delicious looking, colorful bowl. Deep frying the squid is a bit of a hassle, but that's what makes this bowl so unique. I hope you enjoyed the video and give it a thumbs up if you did. We introduce delicious Japanese homemade dishes that are easy to make. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already.